Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn company page. First of all, open linkedin.com website and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you will be in your feed like this page, and from here all you have to do is click on For Business on the top right corner. A drop down menu will appear. Now on the bottom section you will see Create a Company Page. You have to click on this option. A new page will open and you have to select a company. From here it will ask you for the name of your company. You can type any name of your company or the organization, and then you have to give a LinkedIn of your company profile, and then your website of the company, and then the industry, organization, and after all of that you have to upload your company's logo and tagline, and after all of that you have to click on Create. Once you click on Create, your business profile or the company page will be created on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.